this clip is about the analysis, detailed analysis that LivLab Simulator allows of certain characteristics of the events that it can simulate. As always, we always start with the selection of the features of the scenario that we want to test. Now, in this case, this will be a 35 participants in groups of 4 members, 2 days of discussion to sort in the competition time, and then we will not choose here any of the 3 blocks of features or detailed features that we have used in other videos. In here, it is important to select if we want to, with Control 15, if we want all the values of that the simulator is producing registered and presented for the analysis, or just the information that is related to the last day of the event. So if we switch this on, the simulator will provide us with all the details that it is capturing all through the event, all per day. So we'll see the information per day, per participant, per group. So a ton of information. Now, if we hit setup, we have our new participants. We can group them, click in here, so we have them close to each other, and then we hit go. Now the ticks are 2, so they're equal to the days of discussion. So the event is finished. To see the window, the output window where the advanced analyses are or can be performed, we need to scroll to the right, and then well, for this clip I will go all the way up of the information here, which is a lot of information, to find the original values of our participants. Now, the information here is summed by groups, starting with group 0, then group 1, and so on. And the system has recorded the information per participant within this group 0. The participants in LivLab Simulator are called turtles, and but still, I mean, there are participants. So this is participant 1, this is participant 20, this is participant 14. So this is a way of knowing which participants belong to, in this case, group 0. The information that we have here are the interests. So which matters, topics interest our participant 1 in this case, which topics she or he is an expert or a professional in, and then the rest of the features or opinions that he or she has about certain things, certain important things that are controlled by the system. For example, the opinion about her current knowledge, her current relational or emotional knowledge, her mindset, her role or roles, and the experience with discussions in groups, networking, and relational or emotional learning, and building group models, building something together with someone else. So these are the opinions that this participant, participant 1, has when joining the event. We have all that information per participant, all the way down to the last participant. We can check all of them here until the next section starts, which is the what has happened after the first day, second day of the event. What is going on with each of these participants once they start interacting with each other. In here, we have the opinions of, again, each of the participants per group, starting with group 0, and this is day 1 of the event. And we have here what are the next set of opinions once this participant, in this case participant 1, has been in the event 1 day. This again goes down to the rest of the participants all through the event until day 2 starts. Once again, this is group 0 participants, the ones that go first, and this is the opinions of after the second day of discussions for our participants. And this information for each of the participants stops in the section that we have seen for the pool of participants, so for the event.